responsible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. See at the markets. Markets look a little choppy overnight. Choppy. See here, looks like the low for ES. 51.35. Looks like the high was that first candle. 51.48. It's about 13 points in range. Not a lot of range. 920. The 920. The high on NQ dipped down to 861. So about 160. No, just 60. Yeah, just 60. Early morning math, folks. Just 60 points in range. Small range. Copper having a bad day, coming down. About 160 ticks in range. Gold having a very bad day. Metals are not having a good day today. It's like 27 points of range all to the downside. Ultramod also not having a good day, so it's trying to perk up. About 3/4 of a point. Crude oil at the top of its game right now. About 80 ticks of range. Natural gas looking spry. And Bitcoin is really depressed down to 61.2. So that's when we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. This looks like another little grindy morning. We're popping up there. Missed that as I was talking, of course. Ow. Last day of April. Seems like just a month ago we were starting April. Girls in coming down a little bit. So news this morning. We have. What do we have? Canadian GDP and U.S. employment costs coming up at 8:30. Case-Shiller at 9, which never moves the market. U.S. Chicago PMI at 9:45. The big one, the one that's marked in red, U.S. CV consumer confidence at 10. After the bell, Amazon earnings and Starbucks earnings and AMD earnings. Tomorrow, of course, we start some big stuff. We got the jolts in the morning, plus some PMIs. And in the afternoon, of course, FOMC. So Q comes up, goes right back down. What comes up must go down, right? That's what they say. Hey, CVR. How are you on this fine Tuesday morning? Oops. That was weird. popping up. Decent sized candle there. We're just kind of sine waving around the EMAs right now. Starting the day up $49 from last night's Asia session, which was slow as molasses in February. Morning, Hassan. You need to start using some of the money you're getting on methamphetamine so you can stay awake. That's a joke. Kidding. YouTube, don't shut me down. Slow grind here, back down by a couple points. Oh, there you go. Nice rebound, CBR. Market tricks us every day. It's a nice little move down. Where's the low? The low, close low. 861. We're about 10 points away. Still grinding down. I like that blue candle though. Long on that blue candle. Couple ticks late as usual. 4 ticks late, full point late. Yeah, metals took a huge dump. Looks like it's going to come right back down on me. If it pops back up, or it's going to take my Asian money from me. Back almost to my entry. There we go. So our target just down here to the EMA and get a little win if it takes it. Back down 2 ticks. It's a long time for a little movement. One more tick. There we go. So I got a 3 1/4 points there. Small win. This might continue to go, but I'm happy taking it there at the EMA. Yeah, I would have got my full amount, but that's okay. And now get the pulls back a bit up to got up to 780 there. Still trying to push up here. I did not mark my charts today. I should mark my charts. I should be a chart marker. So. All right, that's going to be impossible. Let's go to a 10-minute chart. There we go. That's better. Okay, so overnight high. Overnight low. So mark yesterday's low. And yesterday's high. Okay, now we go back to our Give me a sec, cleaning up the chart a bit. Just a bit. Why is that table there if I have the table off? Oh. Yeah. Oh, apparently it's the wrong one. Yeah. Sorry, while we're slow, I'm just getting stuff cleaned up. There we go. I already have a bunch of indicators on my chart. I mean, I don't know. It's probably something in TradingView that would do that for me, but I haven't figured that out yet. Spelling it right would be better. Highs and lows, month, day, week. Highs and lows. Maybe. I would have to play with it when I'm not live to find out one that works. Continuing to push up. Oh, nice little. I could have got back in on this blue candle here. I could have got another 5. You prop traders out there, reminder, it's the last day of the month. Be the last time we see any 90% from Bulenox for a bit. Be the last of the 80% from Apex for a bit. Grab them before they're gone. Yeah, you just do everything now in Sierra, right, Hassan? Morning, Chris. How's your day? Hey, Kostic, how's it going? Slow grind here. Do have a bit of news coming up here at 8:30 Eastern. U.S. employment costs and Canadian GDP. I don't expect this to rock the market. No, you cannot use data from Apex. At Sim Data, you need, and it's not that Blusky charges. It's once you're trading live with with somebody else's money, the CME considers you a professional trader. Those data fees are charged by the CME and paid to the CME. Blue Sky makes no profit off of those data fees. It's a CME rule. Hey, Troy. Yeah, nice little rise here. Right. The thing about Apex and Bulenox is they keep you on a sim account. You're not really live. So I mean, the absolute very best people on Apex do get put to live, but I've never heard of anybody going live on Bulenox. They claim they put people live, but I've never heard of anyone doing it. Now, I don't know everybody in the industry yet, but yeah, the only ones, and I'm not even 100%. I'm assuming that they're live. The only ones I know that eat the fee is One Up, but I've never traded with One Up or talked to anyone that trades with One Up to ensure that they're actually going live. But I assume they are because they're one of the OGs in the industry when everybody put people live. Morning, Speed Racer. Hassan, you mean One Up? Yeah. Well, actually, Hassan, John Burrow Investments got put on live on Uprofit last week. He couldn't log into his funded account, and he got an email a couple hours later with a new ID. I need to follow up with him and see because he wasn't sure. He didn't hear about data fees or anything, so I gotta find out about that. I've never had a sale on One Up. Not that I promote them much because they never have sales. But I've never had a sale as a One Up affiliate. Well, thank you for not using my link when you sign up, Hassan. We're long off that blue candle. I figured I should trade while sitting here. Yeah, I know. I'm kidding around. I was joking. I remember you mentioning it. Oops, stopped the route right away. So I got in late there. Not that that would have been anything better, but gave back. That's okay. Yeah, I mean, I kind of agree with that, but it's, nobody knows their existence either, though. I mean, ask 100 traders, and 99 of them aren't going to mention one up. The sales is about also getting a little known. You don't got to do the crazy sales, but just get a little marketing going. Yeah, but ETT's a mess. Oh yeah, One Up is active on Twitter, but I mean, yeah, I do follow them on Twitter. Hey JC, how you doing? They're coming back down, still rangy. Got that little bit of news here in a minute or so. Someone's buying who? Well, thank you very much, Cossack. Appreciate that. Awesome, Hassan. Trust Diago. Trust Diago. Morning, G-Man. Oh, so I was wrong. That news apparently, wow. Oh, I got stopped out trying to play that. That was, well, at least it was only $100, I think, maybe more. Wow, what the heck? So I was definitely wrong about that news mattering. Nice. Oh, wow. Nice, Troy. Beautiful. We had news that I did not think was going to affect the market, but it obviously affected the market. And if it ever stops falling so I can try and play the reversal, I'll look up what the news said. There we go. Target hit. 10 points on that reversal. Yeah, but Canadian GDP, I mean, normally I don't think it moves the market. I would have to look back, but it came in 0.1% less, and U.S. employment costs came in a little higher. So I got 10 points back. We're back to green. And it didn't go much further than, wow, I got lucky too. It went one more tick and came back up. Look at the dollar on that news. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, Russell shooting down 20 points. So guess what? That line about my low a day, but also interesting that I have this line here and I have no idea why I put it there because it's from yesterday. But oh wait, is that the low a day yesterday? Yeah, look at that. It went right to yesterday's low a day and bounced. I need to mark these lines when I put them on there. Are you out of that trade now, Troy? By the way, we're all on the edge of our seats to find out whether or not John DeFore got the planter box put together so he's allowed to go. If he didn't, he's not allowed to go golfing today. So we're all waiting to hear from John. Hanging here right at the low of day from yesterday, just now the low of day for today. Easy for me to say. He was working on it last night instead of trading during the Asia stream, so we're all on the edge of our seats to find out. Long again. Win again. Boom. 2 for 2 for 10 points each over the last few minutes. uh, Thank you, JC. It's giving me another one. That one I don't feel as good about. It's probably going to prove me wrong. Maybe. I'm still making up for yesterday. Well, maybe I've made up yesterday. I don't know. I forget. Let's look. I can look. Probably this week. Actually, yeah, I'm back to green on the week now. After I took losses, I was red yesterday. Now I'm back to green. Awesome. Yeah, I'll get that since I have no stream tonight. I'll get the stuff added to the Discord for that, and the explanation and the reminders and all that good stuff, and make the announcement. I'm actually, I want to put together a video for why people should join the MightyOxTrading Discord. So, like figure out 5 points or whatever. And so that could be part of it once I do that. Long off that blue candle. This one might have been a bad long. Let's see. It's going. It's going. Back up to 824. I'm going to get out there. Small win. I just didn't trust it. Actually, yeah, it's a very small win. One tick. It came up, bounced down, coming back up. I think it's struggling here, so we'll see. It could prove me wrong, but I just feel like it's at a spot that it could go either way. John, we're all on the edge of our seats. Did you get the planner box finished? And yeah, that drop was from your Canadian GDP. Hold on. Gosh darn Canadians ruining the market. No, kidding, guys. Yeah, we're joking around, G-Man. I got 2 longs. So yay, that means you can go golfing today, John? And I was right to get out on that trade. You can see my instincts there. Felt like it wanted to come down versus going up more. So I got out of that trade. Basically, it paid for commission. Congrats, John. Dow still hasn't bounced down there. And we're falling back toward that low. Free falling. Oh, G-Man, you never did sing last night on the mic. You promised us you were going to sing. Popping up. Thought about taking that blue candle. Thought against it. Now, that wasn't a normal news event, John. Would you have been allowed to be in that on FTMO? Is it just the 4 big ones that you're not allowed to be in with FTMO? Nice blue candle. Long. Ooh, that ended up being a big one, 15. I'm giving it 10. Hopefully it wants to continue going. May have ran into a wall there. Fading back down off that long candle. See if it gets to the EMA, I'll get out. Let's see if it bounces. Looks like I always tell myself not to get in on candles that are extraordinarily big because they often start giving back. That was the case of this one. Maybe here's the bounce. All right. Now we're going to move our stop up to below this little pivot here. It really does not seem to want to go further. Yeah, we're going to get stopped out. Yep, there we go. Stopped out. Hey, Sid, how are you? Good to see you. How's the farm? So, had I not moved my stop, stop me out to the tick. Had I not moved my stop, I'll still be in this trade. See where it goes. What the heck's a one stick semen? And they have goat shows? I think I'm gonna stop asking questions now. Hanging, this is like wash hanging on the line right now. Bounce on gold. Hey, Rod. How you doing? A pig expo. That sounds like a rousing good time. So, Sid, you didn't take any profit on gold when it was up in the like 24.48 when it hit that all-time high? Nice. Little bounce there. Market's kind of gotten back down to normal now after that little burst down earlier. You ever gonna do cows, Sid? Understand? Oh, There we go. Target hit, 5 points. I moved back down to 5 points, and I could have got, looks like 10, but the market had slowed down enough that I went back for, I guess that might have been 6 points, actually. What do I have on that? Yeah, that was 6.25, so that works. Eventually, when I get more wealthy, I'm going to be looking for grass-fed, grass-finished beef. Still rising. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Oh, really? I've never tried goat. Nice, G-Man. We're back up to 840 here on NQ. There's me hesitating on a blue candle. With me doing the carnivore diet, I definitely eventually want to get into higher quality meat. Thought you said you were done for the day, Troy. Market pulls them back in. Hassan. He's gonna go pull up the live stream from last night and then like post it in the Discord where he said that. Got up to 844 here on NQ. It's kind of pulling back here a bit. Struggling to get through that 100 EMA on the 30-second chart. I gotta look at what these EMAs correlate to on the other charts so I can figure out why the heck things stop at certain levels, even though I don't think they should. Yeah, Hassan, did you capitalize on that? So it looks like G-Man, who uses the fibs for looking at 50% retraces, got his 50%, and that's where it stopped, and that's what usually happens, right? Oh yeah, I'm here talking about the same thing he is. Yeah, Hassan had the same deer in the headlights look we all had when that drop happened on Canadian GDP. Well, I shouldn't say we all. Troy didn't have it. Troy did well, very well. Well, it's not Pokemon, Hassan. You don't need to catch them all. Nice move back down. I did not capitalize on this move back down. Speaking of capitalizing, I should have. There was a nice purple. You know, when I see this down here and I see two purples here, that's usually, you know, like a big red flashing neon sign. We have a couple minutes until the top of the hour. So Sid Chase, if you're still here, are we ever going to see you back trading again, or is farm living your big old main thing for now? Land spreading out so far and wide. Keep Manhattan, just give me that countryside. For your youngins, that's Green Acres. Great TV show. Well, know, Sid, that we definitely miss you here on the streams. I bring your name up often, especially when we're looking at gold. I tell people that you said 3,000 for gold at one point. And you must have Brooks working so hard that he hasn't stopped in it either. Got the whip out on him. Tell him I said hello. I assume you don't mean the kind of fencing that's done with swords. Hanging here at 8:22 at the top of the hour. Crude big drop there when it's open. So IQ got up to 844. 844s dropped back down by 30. Wow. That's probably a bad long. We'll see. Maybe not. Not going. Out. Took a 7-tick loss there, not much. Hey, Hobo Bum. How you doing today? Just trying to push up again here. I'm doing pretty good, thank you. Maybe I should have taken profit on this after a few ticks. Let's see. Looks like it wants to come back down on me. Did get kind of extended there, yeah. See if it bounces. Bounce back up for me. Wow, it doesn't usually listen that well. There we go. Target hit. Another 6.25. Still have that 6.25 that I set on it for MyFundedFutures, and I'm on Blusky, so they don't care if it's 5 or 2 or 20. But 6.25 seems to be working pretty well. After the bell, we'll go back to a 10, at least a 10. And there's your 29 for your 24. I see you there, Mr. G-Man. Another blue candle there. This is where I start keep telling myself we're probably at the top, and it's never at the top. Nice, Troy. So we're grinding up here. We have more news coming up at the top of the hour. Consumer confidence. Falls back here. And there, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I would love if you would gore that like button for me. Let YouTube know that you enjoy it, so it recommends it to other people who can enjoy it. It's trying to entice me with that blue candle. Don't really like where it's at, though. Chicken. And an overly sensitive mic. My computer's in the kitchen because this house is set up stupid. No, it's a long story. I mean, that would be awesome if I could. But Jimmy, I think, would just quit on me if I was actually trying to cook and trade at the same time. He already thinks I'm too distracted. Now my computer is right next to the fridge, which is a problem, but right, it's a problem for someone that, has an issue with food, but that's just where it's just the way the house needs to be set up, which is weird, I know, but it's a long story. Uh, this house is, one of the first things I want to do once I have more money rolling in is get out of here. The so the whole power situation of the house is messed up. Um, you know, like on the other circuit here in the kitchen, if you like run the microwave and a can opener at the same time, it's gonna blow. The breaker has to be reset. So, and there's no good place in the living room for my computer, so it's here in the kitchen. So the story is, back when I had my amputation and was in the hospital, my landlord lost the house I was living in to a tax sale. So he ended up moving all my stuff to this house and setting up the house so that, whatever. And it's just, this house is, eh, rising up. We have about 15, 16 minutes to the bell. Ooh, wow, boom. Boom, and then down again. Yeah, so, now having the computer right next to the fridge is convenient for when, want a drink or something. But it really sucks is that because like I'm overweight. I do have a problem with overeating, so it's really easy to get in there. I would love to get the fridge moved, but I can't do it myself, and so on and so forth. Yeah, it's it is what it is. But hopefully it'll be better soon. Yeah, Trey, you weren't here for the whole window debacle. So my computer sits right by a window as well. I mean, I had the window covered, but there was a broken window, and that my landlord didn't fix until the insurance company got on him about it. So when we had that really cold snap in December of 2022, it was getting below freezing where I sit, to the point that I have bottles of diet soda underneath the table that I put into the fridge as I need it. They were freezing completely solid to the point that one exploded. My power bill was up to over $500 a month to heat the house. After he fixed it, to show you how much of a difference it was, my power bill for the same time frame ended up being like 290 instead of 500. Yep, it's the goal. Because I'm actually right now I'm kind of this is gonna bounce on me a bit, but I'm kind of actually stuck inside the house because there's no ramp on the house, of course, and the top step is too tall for me to get my peg leg and my big old body up. So if I leave the house, I can't get back in the house. He's talked about sending a hit squad. The short's probably not going to work out. Nope, it's not. I pay it. We'll pop him back up. got about 11 minutes till the bell. Unless something flashes a neon at me, I probably won't take another trade until after the bell. Yeah. Yeah, I wish. All right, Troy. I'll see you later, my friend. Yeah, I probably should look around, Speed Racer. I mean, the rate Ameren charges isn't horrible. It's just when you have for a window that's causing your house to fall to 32 degrees, well below 32, it, the bills can get out of control. Hey, speaking of Ace, where is Ace? The other thing about this house is sometimes on a windy day, if I'm streaming, you might hear a clicking sounds because the back door here in the kitchen shakes in the wind, which is really annoying. And this is Illinois, so it's often windy. I can tell you. That's the goal. It's always my thought to say, I did this. There's no reason you can't. When I get to that point, that's what I want. Hey Ace, how you doing? We're talking about my landlord, Ace. Looks Speed Racer, it looks like for the first, this is weird, for the first 800 kilowatt hours, the charge is a little over 10 cents, and then after that, it's like 7.5. It's weird that they'll charge you they'll charge you less the more you use. Popping up, back down. Like I said, we'll probably wait till after. Everyone, take a little break. 5-minute break until the bell. Any to take a credit card, Cossack. Yeah, I'll take a look. Seriously, they all do, Cossack. Well, except for Flexytrade. Almost sure I've used mine there. Let me take a gander. I guess I paid by PayPal. Yeah, I've never heard of anyone saying. I mean, debits and credit is always the same. It's weird. See, at PayPal, they accept PayPal. Oh, I guess that's not an answer then. Comes back down a little bit. We're a little choppy. I mean, I've gotten blocked. PayPal isn't as bad nowadays, but back in the day, oh my God, you sneezed the wrong way and PayPal would freeze your account. Nice, G-Man. I mean, I haven't had any problems with them. This is back in, I want to say 2006, long time ago. But yeah, that was back when I was running a paid to read email thingy. But yeah, actually, there's this my main email. Well, my main backup email I can't use with them because it's still blocked. Morning, RJ. Yeah, back in the day they were terrible. Ooh, whoosh. Since, I've had no problems with this account. I've had it for years now. Gotten, you know, thousands in payments in and out. So I trust PayPal now. Back in the day, definitely not. Oh, Happy birthday, RJ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear RJ. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, I forgot to remind Trace Ace about the trash. We do have a trash reminder service here at MightyOxTrading. Sid Chase was here earlier too, you guys. I don't know if he's still rummaging around or not. You missed Sid. G-Man, are you holding through the bell? I wonder how many people stopped viewing when I was singing "Happy Birthday." G-Man's probably holding like 5,000 contracts. Whoosh! And right back up. Wow. Whoosh down by 12. It looked like a bigger whoosh than that. Now it's back up. Get ready. We're going to hear a G-Man boom here soon. Or maybe not. Thank you, Hobo. We feel we were calling somebody a hobo, but I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Remember, for you prop traders out there, last day for the Bulenox 90%. And it could really be the last day, as they were price matching Flexytrade, and Flexytrade no longer has 90%. Apex and MyFundedFutures are also, their deals are also ending. This is Funded Futures Network SPOGO sale. I do not like this price action. I do not like it, Sam. I am. Good morning, Burrow. Happy anniversary. Oh wow, it's coming. We're gonna see the G-Man boom. He's gonna deny me that boom now because I called it. And falling back. Did you get your 2 ace? Back up. Ace is taking another dip in the well. Shouldn't really dip in the well because that's like, kind of tainting your drinking water. Coming down. ES is going opposite NQ, which is I. Doesn't happen often. Yeah, there's ES catching up with NQ. There's me wishing I had taken that purple candle when I could have. Trying to pop back up. I'm late, as usual. Let's see how late. Wow. Almost 2 points late, so let's see what we get. That's a reversal. Maybe not. There we go. Boom. Target hit. Boom. 10 points. I'll do my own boom since G-Man didn't give us a boom. Oh, I could have got in another one right after that. Look at that. Actually, I guess. Yeah, I actually got on that one, so okay. That's okay. Thank you, Ace. All right, tell that bus driver I said hello. There. Got the delay boom from G-Man. Guess I called it early. Excellent, RJ. Yep. Nice. Look at this move up. 875 on NQ. Overnight high 920. Long way to go for that. But it has gotten most of the news candle back. Oh, yeah, good point. Thank you. We do have news coming up in 2 minutes and then at the top of the hour. Just think it's a weird data glitch, JC, or oh wow, Ultravon really dumped there, didn't it? Got yelling. Thank you, Dream Man. Yeah, and Q is up 100 from the low, just about. I believe that's called an ultra marathoner, RJ. Pulls back here. Whoa, quick pull back on the news. Starts spreading the news. Taking the short off that purple. It doesn't look like it wants to continue down. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Ah, bounce. There we go. Come on. Come on. Got it out there just because it bounced on the same spot 3 times. It's probably gonna break it now, but yeah, there it goes. It would have hit my target, but it kept bouncing. It hit that one spot 3 times there at 55. Boom, boom, boom. Eh. Now G-Man's booming. Still falling. Not afraid of falling. See our pivot point over here was down at 825. Still got 25 points away from there. It's bouncing. Right back down. See, I didn't take that blue candle. I didn't trust it. We'll see here. It comes back down, retests, and then comes back up. Or if we're going to just free fall here. Remember the Apex sale ends today, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Don't know if they're going to go back to 71% or not. Blue candle. See if it holds. So far, no. The blue candle, but more wick than body. Small candles right now. Taking a breath. We got more news. Consumer confidence report coming up at the top of the hour. And yelling. Long off that blue candle. Struggling. Yeah, there it goes. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Nope. Back to my entry and down, purple candle. Dang it. Come on. Out. Ouch. That was a quick reversal. Took a 6-point loss. Dang it. And bounces. Huh. Grr. Back up. Struggling to get through that area though. 866 there. Sitting here now around 860. ES at 51.34. The Dow's at 38.327. All's quiet. April showers bring great sales for futures prop traders. First up, Apex, 80% off and no minimum trading days. Buy today, pass today, be trading funded tomorrow. Topstep, one step, one rule pricing, $49 for 50K. Easiest eval in the industry. Bulenox, two great sales, 90% off intraday accounts, first month only, or 83% off intraday accounts. That's recurring for a lifetime until you pass or cancel. And Earn to Trade, 50% off their new 10-day challenges. All subscriptions, including the TCP 50. Great deals. All links and codes for these sales are in the video description below. By the way, that little ad graphic would probably be the last time you ever see me advertise Earn a Trade on anything besides the prop firm discount snapshot. They don't deserve my time and energy. falling. News in 30 seconds or so. Went over. A little booster right before that news, consumer confidence news. But there we go. There's the move up. Right back down though, up to 878. And down. Down comes NQ. And back up and back down. I think it's exercising, maybe doing some burpees. Forecast was 104. Forecast was 104. We got 97. Yeah, that is a lot lower. Whoosh. 895. And right now it's just looking like a poke, G-Man. Let's try and maybe again. Oh, here it comes down. NQ back down. NQ could not get up to 900. Got up to 895. Dropped 25 points. Ooh, big fall. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Is Yellen saying anything that's concerning? Sideways. Me here watching ES to see if 40 breaks. Touching. That's touched 40 again on ES. And Q trying to give me a blue candle there. It wasn't. Yeah, there we go. There's the 40 break on ES as well. I'm wrong. Just a feeling, might be wrong, might be giving back profits here. But I'm going to take a long off that candle there. See if we continue up. Nope. Looks like that was a bad decision. I felt we were getting a break and we didn't. Yep, stopped out. So that's okay. I don't really care. Gave back a good portion of my profit. Yeah, it was alright. I liked it. Yeah, I wasn't playing ES anyway. I just like the way NQ was setting up there. I still think it's going up. ES just continuing to fool with 40. Now NQ wants to give me a purple back down. Bye bye, Miss America Pie. We drove the Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Little boy singing whiskey and rye. There we go. Oh, bounced on that EMA. Should have had the target on the EMA. Do not listen to myself. There we go. Put the target on the EMA. No, back up to my entry. So I got to do this type of thing. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on, baby. I love my fire. There we go. Target hit. Nice 6-point trade. Still trying to come down. Big fall. You can't hear me? Am I not here? Okay, good. Still falling. Still falling. Just broke through that 34.35 that you was mentioning. Will we bounce here? We are really far down. Nice bounce. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. There's a bounce. Back up to that 34. We're long off the 30-second chart, the blue candle. Let's see if we get what we get. I'm going to use the 15-second chart as a stop. There we go. Running into an EMA. Can it break? Can it break? Can it break? The answer is maybe. Trying. Come on. Just a few more points. There we go. Target hit. Boom. So there I got it. Didn't get a colored candle. I got a nice little candle in the 15, but I looked at the 30. Obviously, I could have got in earlier, but on the 30, grab that, move up there. That beautiful blue candle. Another blue candle there on the 15. See it there on the 30 as well. Kind of giving it a little time to take a little breath. See if maybe it didn't need to take breath, but we'll see. Now, there you go. It goes. Running to the top. Yellen apparently is not saying anything important. Nothing red popping. Consumer confidence drops to a 21-month low due to worries about food and gas prices. Hey, Sid, thank you. To only miss him, just like we miss you. Hope you could find some time to stop in someday. We're all gonna have to make a field trip down to the farm. Pulling back here a little bit. Got up to 881, which is a lower high than earlier when we got up to 895. 895. Dow with a beautiful blue candle there on the 5-minute chart. Let's talk about starting to use a higher time frame for other things besides still doing my micro scalping here on NQ, but maybe using the bot that I have now to do some stuff on other assets based on the same strategy on a higher time frame. Breaking up is hard to do. It's like, why the heck is he singing so much today? Push down again, bounced on the EMA again, trying to push up again. I know how it feels. I can't do push-ups either. Purple candle, not trusting it. Trying to give me a blue, staying out of this price action right now. Up and down again. Well, now I kind of like that. I kind of like it. I don't know. Do I like it? I don't like it as much. Sideways action right now. Sideways down a one-way street. It's hard to do. Consolidation time, which is very different than hammer time. Da 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 da. Now we're pushing down a tad. Ooh, and bounce back up into the consolidation range. G-Man Ron didn't stop him this morning. I hoped he would and let us know how things are going. I don't follow basketball too much. I follow the Sixers a little bit. It's a shame Embiid can't stay healthy. Ace has missed Chase twice now. Ace trades, ace trades. I don't think it works like Beetlejuice. If I say his name 3 times, he'll pop up. Nightbot just reminded everyone about that Bulenox 90%. Ends tonight. Tonight. Trying to pop. Once you pop, you can't stop. Didn't pop. And whoosh. Back down to 30, 51.33 on ES. Back down to 18. I'm sorry, 17. 8.45 now here on Q. Now it might pop. Yeah. Just kind of hesitating here. Here's the pop. Maybe. It popped for all of 2.4 seconds. And right back down. Drop a D-drop. Boom, boom, boom. We're just continuing to go. There, maybe. Might be. Yeah, not really. Not impressing me. It don't impress me much. I promise, guys, when I get more money, I'll take singing lessons. That's a nice rise, though. Got down to 824, popped to 837. Back down a few, decides wants to take a breath. And now it's trying to give me another blue. The blue. We're long. Let's see. Let's see. It's either going to go, it's not. Giving it like a 5-point stop. Stopped. Okay. And bad decision on my part, running that EMA. That's okay. Should have been zoomed in a little bit more than that. Thought it was a cleaner break than that, and it wasn't. It's going to tempt me again here. But I'm not going to fall for it. Sorry, yawning. Now it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Gold continues to fall. Look at that. Bouncing the ultra bond. Wow. Holy wow. Look at crude, guys. I dropped over 2 points. Tries to bounce again, like we did last summer. We hit 840 there. We just hit 840 there. And we're trying to decide whether it wants to go up or down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We're long. That could be a mistake. It needs to break here. Got a 5-point stop. Maybe 6. Yep, no break. Yeah, maybe. Come on. There we go. Maybe. Follow it. Blue candle. It's still not convincing. It's coming back down. Up, up, up. There. Come on. There we go. Up, up, up. Down. Up. Up, up, and away. Boom. Out. Small win. 7 ticks. But that's okay. We'll take it. Well, there it goes. Boom. Up to 856. Yes, back up to 5133. Yellen's talking about the deficit. Up to 865, pulls back. And continues up. Bounce back up. Everybody got willy quiet. Be willy quiet. Or hunting points. Look at that. Hey, Sid. You okay? Screaming for a reason? Back up to 872. Oh, well, thank you. Good point. I was confused for a second. Make some noise. Still going up. It never happened. It was all a dream. Dream a little dream. Dream, dream, dream. Even giving you guys some new songs today. For those of you that don't know G-Man terminology, DSR equals dip, strip, and rip. Which also could be the title of something about farting while skinny dipping. About 10 minutes ago on the stream. As of right now, I'm up 448 on the day. So it's a good day. I had a good day. I've sampled so many songs today, I could do a soundtrack. Yes, we were home on the range. So now I'm going to attempt to like blow that 440 and take a short here. There we go. Come. Nah. It dipped quick dip. Yep. There we go. Target hit. Boom. Small. It was only 4 3/4, so 19 ticks. Still falling. I could have went for more on that trade, but I didn't think it was like totally reversing there, honestly. ES back down to 51.32. NQ back down to 17.840. About 5 minutes left to go. By the way, that would have win actually took me up to 535 on the day. Best day I've had in a while. So again, we dropped big time, trying to shoot a blue candle there. Doesn't seem to want to work. Not taking any more trades on this account today. Thank you, John. Ouch. Probably will take some trades on Topstep and stuff later on. Ow. Scratching my back. Another burst down there. This is, let's see, I'm going to grab my Topstep X. That's not it. If that ended up giving me a long there, I might take it on Topstep. Popping up. And we are just about out of time. 30 seconds to go. It was a good day. I had a good day. Oh, sorry. Maybe I need to sing more. I sang a lot today and had a good day. Everyone's running for the exits. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. It's been a good day. Like I said, next stream is tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Remember, this is the last day of the month. Lots of prop sales ending, including the Bulenox 90%, the Apex 80%, the MyFundedFutures $50 for any size starter plan, and the Funded Futures Network 50% off. You all should get in on those. Let trade props if you need any evals, especially with FOMC and NFP coming up this week. All right, I want to thank everyone again for joining me. We will be back tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.